Welcome back, friends, to Skill Raptor, and I am your host Atharva. Today, we are going to see a very interesting Excel sheet that is specially designed for calculating number of stages of distillation column. So, before I move ahead, I like to request you all to kindly like, share, and subscribe my video, and also let me know your feedback on comment section what all things you require in such kind of a video so that we can make better Excel sheets or we can look for better content. Okay, with that, let me just move ahead with this. So as I said, this is a Excel sheet which helps you to calculate number of stages of distillation column. But remember that this calculator calculates number of stages for the saturated liquid only, and the quality of feed which we are taking is Q is equal to 1, that is saturated liquid. The feed basis is taken as 10 moles, that is kind of fixed. Things which you can change is the component A and component B. So on top you can see component A, it is benzene. So there are a lot of options which are available. So currently I am selecting only component A here, that is benzene. So let me select the second component as maybe toluene. Let me see if there is toluene available. Yes, so toluene is available. On downside you can see there is a composition, so it changes automatically. For example, I will type zero point 0.4 here, so it will change to zero point 0.6. In distillate I will say 0.99, so it will automatically change. And also on the bottom side you can put the number, that is zero point 0.02 maybe, and 0.98. So this can be changed. All the blue boxes can be changed, you can actually edit them. Then you have operating pressure. I will just change it to some 88 800 maybe. I'm just doing it randomly, it all depends on what kind of problem you are solving, so change accordingly. On bottom side you see the result, it has already calculated 14.5 and 15, so it is highly automated. Now how it is basically automating itself, so let me show you the other workbooks. FUG method, you can see all the information is given, how it is calculating Fensky equation. Then you have Underwood equation for calculating minimum reflux ratio, and then you have Gilliland correlation for calculating number of stages. So it is actually using this. So these two set of workbooks are actually connected. Then McCabe and Thiel, this is the automated graph. So it adjusts itself on basis of the data which you give. You can also check your graph with this. And on sheet 3 you have all the technical details of the components. So from here actually it is taking and calculating different numbers. Now let me go back to the data and let me just change something here. So benzene and say xylene I will take. M xylene and benzene I want to change, and let me just put it to 760 and feed to zero point 0.5. Now let me show you, let me take back you to McCabe-Thiel graph and how it adjusts itself. Okay, so it adjusted itself as per the data and answer. So you can see the stage by FUG method and McCabe-Thiel method is almost equal, 9. That is, the number of stages are 9. So this is a very simple worksheet which you can actually use for your academic purposes. If you are if you want to roughly check the calculation for designing a number of stages, so this cannot be used for actual designing. There are a lot of other things which you need to consider, but this is more of an academic sheet I wanted to introduce. It's a very good handy sheet, can be used by academics. Then if you are appearing for gate exam or something like that, you can actually have this sheet to verify formulae and the methodology by which the sheet is using to calculate. You can see all the formulas are also given here. So it's kind of a very concise set of information given, which can be used by anybody who even doesn't know about this. It's very user friendly, I thought, and that's why I've shared it. Uh, so let me just conclude this small video. I don't want to make it very large. Please kindly comment if you want this sheet, and I will try to make this available to you. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me also know in the comments what kind of different sheets or Excel sheets you would like me to do in my upcoming videos. This will give me a better direction into which I should make my content. Thank you very much. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe my video. Bye bye.